Hi students, while earlier solving this problem, I had stated that the diagonal of the square is s root 2, okay, or side of the square, length of the side of the square times root 2. Now, how do we get this? We get this formula through the Pythagorean theorem. Now you can clearly see that there are two triangles within the square once you draw the diagonal, one that is here and another that is here. And both of these are right angled triangles because wherever the two sides meet, we get a right angle. Okay, so we have a right angled triangle here. That means we can use the Pythagorean theorem, which says that the square on the hypotenuse and the diagonal is the hypotenuse. Diagonal is the hypotenuse, and in fact, it is hypotenuse to both the triangles. It is the hypotenuse to both the triangles inside the square, and both are right triangles, right angled triangles. So we can apply the Pythagorean theorem and say d square is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Now, the length of each side is s. So s square plus s square. Now, so d is going to be equal to the square root of s square plus s square. D is going to be equal to square root of 2s square. D is going to be root 2s or s root 2. So we got our result here. Okay. I hope this is clear to you now. Thank you very much.